This is my school. We have many rooms at school. We use the rooms each school day. Now, my friends and I are studying in the classroom. Our teacher is here too. We go to art room when we have art class. We go to the music room when we want to play music or drum or other musical instruments. Sometimes we go to the library to read or borrow some books. The librarian is always ready to help. We play in the schoolyard during recess. We have a playground. We also have a computer room. It's my favorite place. My school has a pool too. Students who like swimming go there almost every time.